In this video, we're going to look at this problem on page 5 of the 9-1 slides. Describe the locations of the points in the figure below by giving the amount of horizontal movement from the y-axis and vertical movement from the x-axis. In the book, it describes it as horizontal movement from the origin and vertical movement from the x-axis, but I tend to look at it as horizontal movement from the y-axis and vertical movement from the x-axis because the points are not horizontal from the origin. They would be if they were on the x-axis, but none of these points are on the x-axis. So let's take a look at, I've recreated this graph on graph paper, and we'll take a look at these points that way. So if we look at point A here, point A is right here, and we can see that it is 1, 2, 3 units to the right of the y-axis. And we can also see that is 1, 2 units down, 2 units up from the x-axis. For B, we count 1, 2 units to the left, and 1 unit up, down. Sorry. For C, we see is 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the left, and it is 1, 2, 3 units up. And finally, we have D, which is 1 unit to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 units down. Now, let's move on in our let's move on in the slides because there's another problem that we're doing that applies to exactly this material. So now we want to write the points from this figure using point notation. And since we've already figured out how many units right or left and how many units up or down each of these points is, it makes it very easy to write the points in point notation. Let's go back here, and we can say that A is equal to, here we see that it's 3 units right, so that's an x coordinate of 3. And it's 2 units up, so that's a y coordinate of 2. If we go up, we're positive. If we go right, we're positive. On the other hand, if we go left or down, we're negative. So for B, we go left 2, which is negative 2, and we go down 1, which is negative 1. For C, we're going 4 units left, so that's a negative 4x coordinate, and 3 units up is a positive 3 y coordinate. And as for D, we're going 1 unit right, which gives us a positive 1 for our x coordinate, and 4 units down is a negative 4 for our y. All right. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.